How to attach an anchor to a kayak, a how to guide. Some professional guidelines of the anchor trolley system to hold your comfortable and secure position of the water surface. The equipment you will need. Firstly, grab 50-52 feet of paracord. Secondly, buy 2 pulleys. Lastly, you will need a duty split ring. The entire attaching process, step-by-step guideline. Step 1, making loop. Step 2, finding point. Step 3, running the trolley. Step 4, retrieving the anchor. Some crucial tips to follow. Never forget to wear a life jacket before sailing your kayak. Try to use sufficient anchors according to the depth of the water.